I want to share a conversation we had in our VIP question and answer along with Virtual Teaching 101. You might think this is the absolute wrong time and you are unable to participate in the Virtual Teaching Business Builder right now. Listen to what these teachers talk about and the answers we give. Now is actually the perfect time, especially if you think you don't have time for this.
You have immediate access to the course, right? And then our first coaching session is on February 12th, no, February 11th.
So Beth, my thinking is I'm not sure if I can make it work time-wise, but I would like to. So it's really on my radar and doing it now
Well,
before
and you think February, you think of the fall, what happens in the fall? You go right
really
into
go holidays.
Christmas. It's crazy whenever we do it. It's going to be
Right.
crazy.
Right.
Just want to also throw out there that I thought your timing was perfect because at the end of the 10 weeks, we have the spring, and the spring is an excellent time to launch a course. It's before summer, people have their energy. It's an excellent time to launch a course.
And you'll have things all ready for the fall if you want to do holiday classes or Black Friday sales or any of that stuff.
I think the course might just very well be worth just learning how to market yourself. If if you feel comfortable with the other stuff, marketing seems to be my hardest. I mean, I'm not that great on camera, but that's something I think comes with time and feeling more comfortable and just learning little things like that little bit that you did in the Zoom about freezing and thinking it through and that kind of thing for your editing. But marketing is difficult, or I
Aren't we
find it
glad
very
we have
difficult.
Tori?
I mean, I've done retreats and all those kind of things, but it's the marketing and I can fly by the seat of my pants, and sometimes that's not always good. I need a little more structure
Mhm.
and filling in the gaps that I'm having. I have gaps, and so it's filling in the gaps that I'm wondering. My investment. I'm trying to invest each year into something, and so just trying to find out, is this what I need? So
Think about this right now. The economy in the United States is living on a knife edge, and people are not spending money on frivolous things. So what a perfect time to offer classes that are upcycling, that are thrifting, that are using things you already have, right? That give people skills to do something creative and amazing without investing $400 in new supplies and equipment, right? It's the perfect time.